guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. It's spring here, such a beautiful time. It's my favorite time of the year. And it's perfect timing to prune lavender and also propagate it if you want, not to waste these cuttings from pruning. It's always good to prune your lavender, otherwise it becomes woody and overgrown. And you can do it in the fall or spring. And spring is perfect timing to prune it because it will come back in no time and will bloom very quickly. And here's Marcus. He's always here to help. He also really likes to relax and sunbathe. I'm just gonna use simple shears to prune and just cut it like this. So now lavender is pruned and ready to grow and bloom. These are such a beautiful cuttings and I hate them to go to waste. And it's a perfect opportunity to propagate them and share it with your friends. Or plant more in your garden. We made a hole in advance in the soil and put it in and form it around. And that's it. You can also put few cuttings in the same pot and then separate them later. So, next one. So probably a little too long. I'm going to cut it a little bit. Also put it in and cut it. And one more. Let's see which one is less woody. Probably this one. So I'm gonna clean it again. Cut a little bit more. And put it in the ground. So this is all done. We did it very quickly and we didn't waste these cuttings. And hopefully they'll give our eyes new plants so we can share or plant in the garden. And this is Lavender Sensational and this is Lavender Phenomenal. So we have a couple of varieties here. We also have in our garden the Sensible, which I really like. So we'll keep it going.
As I already mentioned, you can also propagate lavender from cuttings in the fall, if you didn't have a chance to do it in the spring. And then keep rooting cuttings indoors during winter till next spring. And I will share this experience with you as well.
Here's one more helper in the garden. Yes. You like the smell, Hannah? I love the smell.
After fall cuttings were planted and taken indoors, they just sat in pots with no special light or any special care except watering. They slowly grew over time.
And here guys, quick update on cuttings that we planted last fall. And you can see most of them survived winter and will be ready to plant outside soon. So I'm really looking forward to share some of those with friends.
Hope you found this video helpful and will be able to propagate your favorite lavender.